Go! My name is Kristan. Today, I'm going to show you how to play a trap chant. Hey, 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 hey. A trap chant is when someone yells a word like yeah or hey in the middle of a beat. To make this beat, we're going to use just 3 words: boom, hey, and cat. Can you say them with me? Boom, hey, cat. So, to make these words into a beat, first, we're going to take a deep breath and say boom twice, and then we're going to say hey, cat, hey. Here's how it sounds. Boom, boom, hey, cat, hey. Boom, boom, hey, cat, hey. Boom, boom, hey, cat, hey. Ready to try it? Let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Boom, boom, hey, cat, hey. 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 Follow my rhythm. Let's do it together one more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom, boom, hey, cat, hey. 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 We're going to turn these words into music, so don't be shy to say them loud and clear. Now, the hey sound isn't an instrument. It's just someone saying hey, but it can still be a cool part of the beat. To start beatboxing, let's turn the word boom into a kick drum, keep the word hey, and turn the word cat into a K snare, like this. Hey, k, hey. Hey, k, hey. Hey, k, hey. Ready to try it? Let's practice it together. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, k, hey. Hey, k, hey. Hey, k, hey. Hey, k, hey. You can hear how everything is in rhythm. Give me a strong kick drum and K snare between the heys. Let's do it together one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, k, hey. Hey, k, hey. Hey, k, hey. Hey, k, hey. All right, now you can add a fun and bouncy hey chant to your beats. Don't worry if you can't follow along perfectly. Remember, like all great beatboxers, you need to practice. You can watch this video again to practice with me, and if you want to try a faster beat, practice with the loops attached to this lesson. But no matter what, keep practicing. Remember, practice puts brains in your mouth. See you next time. Go!